Hello! Surprise! Maring Son, paring Bobby. Golden anniversary nyo na pala. Wow! Sana all. Anyway, andito ako para batiin lang kayong dalawang mag-asawa. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay beautiful, Mariko. Happy wedding anniversary sa inyo. At enjoy your day tonight. Okay? Miss you both. Love you both, Mare and Pare ko. Bye-bye!
Hi Balae! Happy 50th wedding anniversary. And keep safe and healthy. May God bless you all. See you soon.
Congrats sa Ninong Bobby, Ninang Sonia. Happy golden wedding anniversary po. At magbigat talaga to si Ninong. Nong, idol talaga kita. Lagi po mag-iingat na Ninong, Ninang sa lahat po ng mga gagawin. Maraming salamat po sa mga advices. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat. Lagi pong alagaan ng health po natin. Nong, hope to see you soon. Again, susunod. Ingat sa pagmotor Nagugulat ako minsan sa iyo eh. Lagi mag-ingat, Nong. Thank you very much.
Ninong and Ninang, we love you.
Hi, Uncle Bob and Auntie Son. Ito yung maganda niyong pamangkin, si Mary Ann. So, andito ako to greet you a happy 50th wedding anniversary. Ano bang sikreto nyo, Uncle and Auntie? Sana sabihin niyo sa akin para ma-reach din namin ni Russell ang ganyang years of being married. Okay? So, wish ko sa inyo more blessings, good health, and more wedding anniversaries to celebrate. Okay? Ingat kayo lagi. Hope to see you soon. Okay? Thank you sa lahat-lahat. Okay.
Hello, Ate Son and Kuya Bob. Happy 50th wedding anniversary to both of you. Wish you long life and happiness forever. Enjoy life. Happy anniversary.
Ate Son, Kuya Bob, congratulations po sa inyong 50th wedding anniversary. And I wish you good health, more anniversaries to come, and of course, more apo to come. Congratulations!
Good health, ingatan yung mga sarili nyo. At ako'y nagpapasalamat din sa Fonseca family, sa mga pinsang ko, habang tayo ay nagsasama-sama noon. Meron lang bagay na hindi ko makalimutan sa mag-asawa. Sa tiwala sa isa't isa, normal na may tampuhan. Pero ni minsan hindi ko kayo narinig na nagkasagutan at nag-away dahil sa pagmamahal nyo sa isa't isa. Mama, you wanna greet? Happy 50th wedding anniversary, Uncle and Auntie. God bless you always.
Hello po. Good afternoon or good morning sa Pilipinas. Happy anniversary, Auntie and Uncle, sa pagmamahalan yung umabot ng 50 years. Sana aabutin din namin yon, ang pagmamahalan na naipakita nyo sa pamilya. Auntie, Uncle, God bless you on your 50th anniversary. We're happy for you. Thank you and
We love you.
we love you.
Hi! Hello! Ate Son, Kuya Bob. Happy golden wedding anniversary sa inyo dyan. God bless you. Ingat kayo lagi. Hello!
Hello!
Oh, happy 50 years
anniversary
wedding
po.
anniversary po again. Okay, bye-bye.
God bless.
God bless.
Hello po sa inyo, Tita Sonia, Tito Bob. How are you po? Musta? Happy anniversary po sa inyo dalawa. More blessing po sa inyo. God bless po sa inyo. especially sa healthy nyo po. Sana natin nyo po ang kalusugan nyo, lakas ng pangatawan sa araw-araw na gawain nyo. Ingat po kayo palagi. Happy anniversary po sa inyo ulit, dalawa. Tita Sonia and Tito Bob, we love you.
Happy golden anniversary po! Hi, Nay-Tay! Meron po kaming encouragement words para sa inyo galing sa Isaiah 46, verse 4. Sabi po dito, aalagaan ko kayo hanggang sa tumanda at tumuti ang inyong buhok. Nilikha ko kayo, kaya kayo aalagaan ko.
Ano po, I pray po na bigyan pa kayo ng Lord ng more and long healthy years together. Sa amin din po, manggagaling ang wishes sa inyo na wapo na marami pang anniversaries to come. So, enjoy po your special day.
Masaya po kaming nakilala kayo namin. Kasama sa Bible study at patuloy sa pag-aaral sa Litano. God bless you.
Bless you po!
Bye for now.
Bye!
Bye!
Sa Japan!
Sa Japan po! God bless, Nay-Tay! Love you!
Hello, Ate Son, Kuya Bob. Happy 50th anniversary. Enjoy your day. Sana nandyan ako. I miss you and I love you.
Hello, Uncle Bob, Auntie Son. We just want to congratulate you. Happy 50th being together. It's your golden anniversary. It's clear that you are meant to be each other. Well, God bless and may you enjoy your anniversary with your family, friends, and relatives over there. Sorry, Mama Iya cannot come. Well, you know her situation. And this greetings, short message is from our family here in Canada, my kids and other. We love you. Congratulations. Bye. Regards to the whole family.
Happy 50th anniversary, Uncle Bob and Auntie Sonia. Many more years. We love you.
Wishing you the best.
Hi, Uncle Bob and Auntie Sonia. Happy anniversary.
Congrats.
Kuya Bob, Ate Son, happy anniversary. Wow, 50 years, huh? What an accomplishment. I know, alam ko, Nanay and Tatay will be so proud of you guys. We wish you good health and many more anniversaries to come. We love you, we miss you. From all of us here in Arizona, we'll see you soon. Ingat, ha?
Happy anniversary, Grandpa Bob. Love you, miss you.
Hi, Uncle Bob and Auntie Son. Happy 50th anniversary.
Hi, Uncle Bob and Ate Son, wishing you both a happy 50th golden anniversary.
Happy 50th wedding anniversary, Uncle Bob and Auntie Sonia.
Kuya Bob, Auntie Sonia, magandang gabi. I'm so happy for you celebrating your 50th wedding anniversary. It's such a special occasion for the both of you. I hope many more years to come. And surprise!
Hello, Kuya Bob, Ate Sonia. Happy 50th anniversary. We wish you good health, more blessings, and more happiness to come in your life. And hope to see you soon. Enjoy. Happy anniversary again. We love you. In behalf of Brian and my family, everybody here in Arizona. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Hello, Kuya Bob, Auntie Son. Congratulations. Happy 50th anniversary. Hello.
Hi, family. In behalf of Dikyam, we want to wish Ate Son and Kuya Bob a happy 50th anniversary. And we wish you all the best, good health, and happiness. And just enjoy life to the fullest. And we wish you many more years to celebrate. And God bless you all. We love you. Enjoy the celebration. Bye-bye you.